my dog. Like, this really my best friend. Like, no exaggeration. And I would. There's moments I'd be like, man, I can't wait to just kick it with you. And then you look up and you be like, well,
in London.
in London,
Like kicking with you.
And his fort.
in London, and it's fort.
And his fort.
And
It
then,
doesn't stop.
no, talk. Let me
Oh my God.
listen. No, let me dive into where we at.
How do y'all bet? How, I know you getting ready to get into it.
Nah, go ahead.
Like, because the kids.
The blended family balance.
No, not even the.
Not that.
Well, I guess it's a balance, but this is just marriage in general now. Because you guys have 3, right? We got 3 now, 4.
You got 4.
Listen.
No, I'm talking to her. I'm just
Oh,
trying to
oh, that's funny.
Who's pointing?
see. I'm just trying to.
We got 4.
Yeah.
He like, hold on.
I'm asking her to just double check.
Listen,
Oh,
they say.
Prophesy.
wait, sidebar. Y'all want another one?
Next question.
Marcus says yeah, Brooke's like.
He said to be continued.
Yeah.
God's will.
Guys,
It's like, what were you
God's
about
man.
to say? No, I was gonna ask, like, how do y'all find that time, like, to take time for you?
We don't.
Man.
Thank you for even that.
Oh, that's why you said, how can we get that grace?
Yeah.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah,
Here we go.
people think like, you know, when you're married, it's like, okay, you don't have time for the husband and wife, but it's like, honestly, I've gotten to a place where it's like, when it's the husband, the wife, and the children, this is our time. That's the time. Like,
You said that too.
sit next to each other, watch a movie, the kids on the floor.
That is not the time. I'm sorry. Listen here. That's called family time.
Yeah.
Now
I understand. No,
okay.
I really do understand. I know we're about to get in trouble. I really do understand needing that other time, but I think you get to a place where you just kind of adjust. You know what I mean? And like, the more you expand for God, the more He blesses you with more.